What's up, guys? It's Trevor with Embers.
Is your mic on?
Yeah, my mic's on. Dude, I'm trying to shoot a video. Why are you interrupting me? Come on, man. Is my mic on? Hey, what's up, Chad? Just shooting a video here. Go ahead. What are we reviewing? Primo. Oh, this is the new Primo. So, all right, we got the new Primo. We got to open this up. They've made some dramatic improvements to this grill. If it's as good as I think it's going to make my top 5 reviews. Let's open it up, unbox it. I'm excited. Let's go. All right, so we got it assembled, and Elijah was pointing some stuff out to me when he put this together on this cart. What do you think of the cart? Don't hold back.
It was awful.
Awful? Awful. This cart, look at this thing. Get a close-up of this. Look at this. Look at this thing. I don't normally say stuff like this. This cart is a piece of crap. Pardon my language. I shouldn't have said that. But this thing sucks. The good news is you don't have to buy it as the all-in-one. What's nice about the all-in-one is you get everything here, and you only have to buy one SKU. I'm going to tell you right now, don't buy the all-in-one. Don't do it. But you can buy this and then build your own cart. But the all-in-one setup, not a fan of them. This thing is so janky. These side shelves are absolutely... Oh, it came undone. Look at that. How do I fix it? Is that your fault, the way you put it together? Or? No, there. Look at this thing. Oh, I did something wrong. Yep, don't buy the cart, guys. Enough said. But let's go through with what it comes with anyways. So we get sort of a little gripper tool. We have our little stoker to move around our coal. Check this out. This is probably the coolest thing of all. Primo sticker, baby. You know, that's going right on the car. Nah, it's not that cool either. All right, so that's the outside of it. Let's talk about what Primo has improved. First of all, let me go backwards. What's the advantage of Primo versus other brands? Well, their ceramic quality is one of the best as far as the durability of their ceramic. They're made in the United States, which a lot of people like. And then the other advantage is they have a patent on the oval shape. So there's a couple out there, and I don't know what the workaround is, you know, like Kamado, things like that. Those are oval. But in general, you really won't see any mainstream grills with an oval shape. The benefit to the oval design is we can fit more on our cooking space with a smaller footprint, especially long things like ribs, briskets, things like that. And then when we get into the grill, we'll talk about it. But essentially, you can offset. So you can have charcoal on half side and then offset cook on the other. It's harder to do on a circular grill. That's one of the big advantages to the Primo oval design. So those are the reasons why you would buy a Primo. High quality ceramic, made in the United States, oval design. Also, a lot of people like the black finish as well. So that's what Primo does well. Now this is the new model, which has a few upgrades. Let's talk about them. So Kamado Joe started the big craze of having the spring-assisted hood, the nice tower control, which was rainproof, weatherproof, would stay put. And now we're starting to see all the brands follow suit, which is awesome because Kamado Joe is an innovator. I think they're sort of the leaders in innovation in a product that's been very stagnant for a long time. And now competitors are realizing, hey, we have to improve our system. We can't stay the same for 15 years. And so that's cool. Okay, so spring-assisted hood. Like, it's nice, but I do think it's still not as good as the Kamado Joe. Not even close. I'm getting ahead of myself. That's for another video. But it's definitely better because the old one was super heavy. This is all ceramic, so this is super heavy duty. So it is nice that it's spring assisted. Oh, it stays a little bit there. but actually there too. Down there, no. So it's definitely an improvement, but still not my favorite setup. So here's our control tower. Obviously this is an improvement because two things. One, it's gonna protect it from weather and it's gonna stay put. So we sort of have 5 levels here of our air control, which is nice because now you don't have to worry about that getting out of place when you're lifting your grill. So that's really cool. Now let's get inside the grill and see what we have here. Now, while they were back in the R&D department, I wish they would have improved a couple other things. Like I wish they would have improved this gasket material. It's not bad, but it's the same old gasket material. I think they could have improved on that. We get our 2 cooking grates. Let's set these to the side. We get our ceramic heat deflectors as well. See, that thing's janky. You gotta watch it. These guys hold up the ceramic heat deflectors. Then we have our cast iron sort of shelf thing. All right, so what we can do is flip this around. And this is what I'm talking about, the advantage here. So we can flip this guy around and then put in our deflector. So all of our fuel can go here. Now, circular ones do this, Kamado do this as well. Kamado Joe, Big Green Egg. But do you see how much more real estate you have with the oval design? That's the benefit of the oval design. And then down here, we have our air control as well. So they've adjusted this by giving us numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, but I'm just not impressed by throwing numbers on there. Like this didn't change at all. You just gave me numbers. I don't need numbers to know that. So that's that. You still have to get in here and clean it out. Clean out your ash here. There's no other way to do that except right here. So you have to manually scoop that out. Okay, so we got it back together. You know, my initial thoughts were I was expecting to like this more than I did. I don't like the all-in-one. I think this cart is very chintzy. So if you're gonna do this, I wouldn't buy the all-in-one. I would either make your own cart or do it in a built-in outdoor kitchen application. But this all-in-one cart, there's a lot better aftermarket carts out there besides this. To me, this is no good. So why would you buy a Primo versus its competitors? Well, we have a new top 5 video coming out and we'll explain that versus its competitors. But the big advantage with Primo are 3 major components. One is the high quality ceramic materials. It's usually a higher quality than its competitors. The oval design, like we said, there's not a lot in the marketplace with the oval design, which obviously helps with benefits with longer things like briskets, ribs, and offset smoking. You're gonna be able to do a lot more with the oval design. And then lastly is it's made in the United States, which is a really big deal for a lot of consumers. So if you're looking for a product made here in the States, the Primo's probably the grill for you. All in all, I like that they improved this grill with the better spring-assisted hood and the better control tower. However, I will say it was a touch lazy the way that they did it. I think that spring-assisted hood could be better. I think this control tower could be better. I think that they should have spent some time redoing this gasket material. I also think they should have made an easy way to create a nice clean out. So to me, it seems like I was very, very excited for the 2021 redesign. It's not really a redesign. They just sort of slapped a couple upgrades on it and called it good. That's just my opinion. So I would tell Primo, you guys need to really overhaul this grill and take a already good product and make it the #1 grill in the market, the #1 ceramic grill in the market. It could be that. That's why I'm frustrated. Is this is already a top 5 product that is superior than a lot of its competitors out there. It could very easily be far and away the #1 ceramic Kamado on the market, but it's just, I'm disappointed by this redesign. It's not as cool as I thought. It's still better than the old model, but not as cool as it should be and not as useful as it should be. So that's why I'm a little disappointed. But it's still a great product. If you're in the Denver, Colorado area, come to our showroom today. Check out this product for yourself. Stay tuned for more videos. You guys have to subscribe. It helps out our channel a ton. This is the new Primo Large Series by Primo. Stay tuned for more videos.